Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at Cleffer's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the new 7.3 I acquired. Probably don't need one, but I figured I wanted another, so we got another. This one's going to be used because the BMW I have right now decides that it doesn't want to start when it's below 20 degrees outside, which can be a pain in the butt when me and my wife both have to go to work, and then we only have one working vehicle. Can't drive the Bronco around right now because it has no seats. Stay tuned for a future episode that thing gets seats. It's going to be sick. But yeah, we're going to put together this truck. It's going to be a daily driver for now, and then just see where things go with it. So yeah, I picked it up pretty cheap. It has a blown engine in it. We had to replace some of the parts for it and build up this new engine, which was originally bought with the Bronco for the Bronco. But if you guys watched any of my other videos, you know that we put a Super Duty engine in there. So yeah, we built this one up, pop it in there. This is the first 7.3 I've ever had that got paint on it, which was cool. So it looks better than the rest of mine, which is sick. Yeah, so stay tuned. So what's been basically
a whole day of cleaning has amounted to this, and I think we're about ready to paint. I still got to get a freeze plug for here. If any of you guys know about the differences between the OBS 7.3s and the Super Duty 7.3s, you know that there was a mechanical fuel pump here, which is this goofy thing. This little plunger down here runs off the cam, pumps diesel, but in the newer body style there's a little freeze plug here. I gotta find out what size it is and then put it in, but because they have an electrical fuel pump, so still gotta tape up in here. Well, I don't know, tape up a few things, tape up this, pull these valve covers off so they don't get sprayed, tape up this whole front obviously, and then down here I'll just put something to kind of drape down a little bit so no paint gets in here. I still got to scrub a few little areas, but it's a lot cleaner than it was, so that's good. Yeah, so that's what's next. So let's see, start masking this thing. She looks all masked up. I don't think I'm going to worry about down and rotating too much because it's all oily anyway, so it'll come right off. Just try to aim up while I'm spraying down here. Try not to hit it too much. If it looks like it's going to be a problem, I'll figure out what to put there. Maybe some cardboard. But yeah, other than that, she's taped up pretty well as far as what needs to be taped up. Just got a rag in that hole for now. Freeze plug later. Yeah, let's lay some paint. Alright, well, here are some of the parts that I got painted last night. Some of the stuff's already been unmasked. It looks pretty solid. Painted the oil cooler because these always rust, so maybe this one will last a little longer. I don't know. Usually they don't fail because of rust anyway, but they look like crap. And then the H-pop reservoir. The engine's all finished. Just got to unmask it. I did a little bit last night. Yeah, so that's what I started with this morning. Just a little unmasking. Yeah, let's get to it. thing already has one of the essential mods. Right, boys and girls, it's the quarter mod. Thanks to the previous owner. It's the first time I've ever seen it in person. Although this side doesn't have it. So now do I take my hand at the quarter mod? Or just let this one ride on its own? It's pretty cool. Oh, you're in it.
Yo, thanks for always coming back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Tune in next time. We're going to get this thing started. Yeah, it's going to be great. I hope you guys liked what you saw. Please subscribe if you want to see more of what's going on with the channel. Stay up to date with it. And drop a like if you liked it. If not, dislike it, whatever. See you guys in the next one. Peace.